So it's been 3 weeks since my last update. As you can see, my watermelon seeds have sprouted, at least 3 of them. So now I have to start preparing to plant them outside. It's been very hot recently, 37 degrees. It was just this pressing heat, and now finally it's getting a little bit better. And for tonight or tomorrow, they actually forecasted some thunderstorms. That would be great to get some water, because right now I'm watering twice a day. Generally, I have to say the garden is not doing too well. My paprika looks nice. Yeah, the salad, I kind of ate most of it. The strawberries are coming back now. I have a few red ones here. The lemons and the cucumber over here, not a big progress. The leaves are turning a little bit yellow. Apple tree looks great as usual. All my trees are fine, I think. And also I'm running a bit low on water. I have another 40,000 liter tank here, which is kind of full. Today I'm also trying to transfer that water into the big tank. Yeah, and also here on top of the water tank we have the tomato area. Give them quite a lot of water. Yeah, the soil looks kind of moist already, even though I didn't give them water today yet. And yeah, the first tomatoes are turning red. That's amazing. We'll see what survives in the garden in July and August. I'm transferring the water now. Luckily the second tank is upstairs pretty much, so I can just get the water down without using a pump. Got my 25-meter hose, and because it was not long enough, I had to use some of the rain gutters for the last 5 to 10 meters. And now the water is nicely flowing in. Let's have a look upstairs, how much water we have in there. It's July 2nd and we just had a pretty massive summer storm. I've never seen a storm like that in the summer actually. It was short but very intensive. There's quite a lot of damage here. My lamp broke, my pot here, all my chairs fell down from the roof. Oh shit. And my second mulberry tree completely snapped. Yeah, that really sucks, because this tree had much nicer fruit than the other one because it's a smaller one. Oh, and my chair. Even the chairs are broken here. Alright, well, yeah, and another lamp. We put this lamp on 2 days ago. Oh yeah, I'll have to check the rest of the property, but that was a really strong storm. Good morning, it's July 4th and my watermelon seeds are growing quite fast. I've got 2 outside here and then 5 more in the room. I've built this new garden bed here, pretty much just extending the one that I had before. And watermelon needs a lot of space, so yeah, I think I can put 3 or 4 in here, and that's probably all I can do. I mean, this is the sunniest spot that I have. I checked the last couple of days, this big tree over here, it only casts a shadow right to the stone wall at the middle of the day pretty much, and the rest will always kind of stay in the sun when it's getting really hot. And my next project will be this little corner here next to the beautiful tree, because the tree is casting a lot of shade into this area. So I was thinking I'm going to turn this into a seating area using pallets. I'm gonna build a backrest as well, so you can comfortably sit on there and then get some cushioning. We'll have a beautiful view not only on the garden but also on the roof. The lavender, the mountain, the oleander, beautiful big mulberry tree, and the sunset over the sea. So that's actually a really nice spot here. I managed to finish the second one as well, and that one turned out just beautifully too, actually. Yeah, I just randomly start to do these things and yeah, see how it goes pretty much. I didn't make any proper plan. I want to build a little bit of a drink rest where people can put their drink. But that I will do a bit later. For now, people can already sit on it, so that's nice. And I gotta go now, just on time. So yeah. Wow, this space it used to be completely overgrown. All this dark part was not used, and now you can sit here and have this beautiful view. Ah yeah. Alright, I should stop talking and get ready for the city. Yeah, the watermelon seeds keep growing in my house. I also tried the next attempt, which is a mango. Cutting out the seed and putting it into some soil with a bottle on top for humidity, but I'm not sure if that works out. Hasn't sprouted yet, but the watermelons are sprouting, and I have 3 inside the house and 2 outside. So I will be able to plant 5 watermelons in my new field here, and I think that's absolute maximum anyway, because they need some space. Yeah, and one more very exciting thing to show you guys. A couple of, maybe like three weeks ago, I planted a seed from an avocado into the ground. And there's actually a small baby avocado tree coming out now. It's so cool. Let's see how fast it will grow. It will definitely take 7 to 8, 9 years until I get some fruit, if it gets fruit at all. Yeah, and besides the avocado, all my trees are looking pretty well. The apples are growing slowly and they're getting red here. And my salad is growing very weirdly. I'm gonna take some more now to eat. Paprika looks nice, still needs some time. And I've got some new zucchini coming up now. Strawberries, not so much happening there. Also the melon here did not really work out. And then last but not least, my tomato field in the back. Let's see the first tomato from my garden. Maybe I removed them too early because they're still a bit green here, but I want to try. Oops, a bit of a mess, but very tasty. Next year I'll have to implement some sort of automatic water system everywhere. But it's kind of nice to make my first experiences this year already and see how the soil is. And I think it's pretty good. Alright, let's make a salad. Half the garden is already kind of finished. I ate all the salad. I ate some paprika, I had a lot of zucchini. Now it's getting so hot and I have to water them so much that I'll pretty much just eat the rest. Especially this big zucchini here. We're gonna do this for the salad tonight. And after that... Oh, wait, can I actually get this off? So, yeah, this will be dinner. This one is actually double the size than the original one. There's 2 more coming, I think. Yeah, after that I'm just gonna water my trees because it's too hot and it takes too much water, but this was like a test run. I'm gonna put in my watermelons now. I'm not sure, probably they should grow a little bit longer inside, but I prefer to get stuff outside as fast as possible pretty much. Yeah, that's pretty much the last thing for this year to grow. It's already kind of late for the watermelons, but yeah, it didn't cost me anything, so I'm just gonna give it a try. And if it doesn't work out, then we'll do it properly next year, probably from end of May or so. Because now half of the summer is over and they need a lot of sun. But all of this will be coming up in the sun soon. Now it's still before 9 AM, so it's very early. But during the day it will all be sunny here, so let's see. Perfect. So welcome back. It's been a while since my last update here on the garden video. We're in the middle of September now, and actually this September is really cold. Last week it went down to 13 degrees and it's been pretty rainy. The garden I kind of discontinued a little bit during the heat of the summer, but my bell peppers are still going well. All the rest I pretty much consumed, but I want to show you apples because I think the apples are now good to go. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah, so many apples this year. We've got the red ones here and the green ones here need some more time. And also the first oranges and lemon are coming up now. And yeah, with that we're gonna wait for the next fruit to ripen up, which will be the pomegranates. I have a lot of wild pomegranate trees and people love it in the bar, so I'll make juice again and I'll show you as they get ripe, probably sometime in October.
couple more weeks. So here we go. This is the last update for my third garden video. We're in the middle of October and this autumn so far has been pretty cold and rainy actually. We already had our fireplace running in September, so that's a new one. And as mentioned before, the last topic to talk about are the pomegranate. Last year people were going crazy for the juice. From tomorrow we'll start harvesting all of these pomegranates again. You can see we have a lot of nice red ones here already, but also the more yellow type, and they're both very delicious mixed with water. I'm not going to cover this process again here. I can link the video from the second gardening video where you can see a bit more of the pomegranate harvest from last year. The garden is done for this year and I will restart it in the spring. The winter time we want to focus a little bit more on the construction again for the 4th floor of the tower. It looks pretty promising to have a nice garden here. So hopefully in the future I can welcome you to the kitchen and you can eat stuff fresh from the garden. Alright, have a good one. Ciao ciao, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want to help with the algorithm. Ciao!